welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video over Juvia's place. I ordered a couple palettes from them, so I have both of these here today. So the first one is the Magic palette, and then the other one is the Zulu palette. So I'm going to take them out of the boxes here and show you what they look like. This is the Magic palette. And taking off the little plastic cover here. Okay. Super pretty. It has a good selection of mattes, and then it also has some shimmers. So I really love that, and I love that the choice of colors is so different. I also like that each one has a name. That's the thing with kind of a lot of the Morphe palettes. They don't typically have names for each of their eyeshadows. So I really like that about this already too. The packaging is super cute. It doesn't come with a mirror, but that is kind of okay with me. I usually don't use palette mirrors too often, that or I just have one specific palette that has a little mirror in it and I use that one all the time. I don't usually kind of switch between mirrors. Alright, and then the other palette is the Zulu palette. Show you what that looks like here. Okay, so this one is a little smaller. Okay, open it up. These I absolutely am so excited to try out with. I've been trying to do more kind of bright colored looks, so I'm excited to see how this one wears. And all of these top ones, and then this one here, and then these bottom two are mattes, and then these two and this one here are shimmers. So I'll just do a kind of a quick little look for you guys using both of these palettes. I already have most of my makeup on. I'm going to be using It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, if you can even see it. Oh my goodness. And this is in the shade Light. So, going to Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Magic palette first, and I'm going to use, I think, this one, Nana. I apologize ahead of time if I say any of these names of these shadows incorrectly. And I am going to go in first with my Morphe E17 brush. Looks like that. Okay. And I'm actually going to set my brow bone. And I'm going to use the color Kelsey for that. And I'm going to use my Morphe R42 brush. See that? Looks like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E23 brush. Looks like that. And this is just a clean brush. This doesn't have anything on it. And I'm just gonna buff this out further. Soften it a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with Nana again. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the color Zakaya. It's this orangey one right here. Now I'm going to use the Zulu palette. Now this one does not have names, so I'm a little disappointed by that, and it is a smaller palette, so kind of with a smaller palette, I would kind of prefer to maybe have like a little bit of a mirror up here. With the big palette, I don't think that's necessary because it's a bigger palette, but because this one is a little bit smaller, it would be kind of nice to have maybe just like a little bit of a mirror when you open it up. But I'm gonna go in with this brown color right here, this one. Okay, next I'm going to take this Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. Looks kind of like this. And I'm gonna take that same brown color, and I'm just gonna kind of keep trying to define my crease a little bit more here. now I'm gonna take what was left over on this concealer brush and do kind of like a spotlight eye. So I'm just gonna apply this right here. Open up my eye a little bit. See. And I'm just kind of patting it on the eyelid. Okay, and now I'm going to take this color right here. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. So now I'm gonna take this little detail brush. So what I'm doing is I'm taking Nana again, and I'm using that little detail brush, and I am just kind of blending these two together a little bit. Same detail brush, using this brown color once more. Now I'm taking this purple, and I'm actually using it with that same detail brush. I'm actually using it to define this just a little bit more. And I'm just using my Anastasia Amrezi highlighter for my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, now I'm taking what's kind of ever left on my brush and smoking my lash line out. Today I'm going to wear some kind of more natural lashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispies. They're some of my favorites. I don't really want to wear a big pair of lashes today. So I'm just going to curl my own lashes here real quick. And I'm going to do just a thin line of eyeliner. Put a little bit of mascara on. Alright, this is the finished look. I was pretty impressed with Juvia's place. I liked the palettes. I liked the different colors that came in each palette. You didn't just have your neutrals and you didn't just have bright colors. You had a mixture of both. You had really good mattes and shimmers, so I thought they were easy to blend and they were very pigmented. I didn't have any issues with shipping. I think they were very easy to order offline. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you give them a try and were just as impressed as I was. If you want to see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time.